Hello guys and welcome to Dainty Bite. One of my all-time favorite muffins is the banana nut muffin, and today I'm gonna show you the best recipe there is. It is so moist and it's not too sweet. It's what you need with your cup of coffee. Let's make it together. You're gonna start by prepping the dry ingredients, and here I have 1 cup of all-purpose flour, half a cup of whole wheat flour, and if you don't like to add the whole wheat flour, you can add 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, but the whole wheat flour adds a nice earthy taste to the muffins. I really highly recommend it. 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt, and mix very well. You want the baking soda to be mixed nicely because I don't want any bitter taste in the muffins. And as always, you'll find all the amounts to the ingredients in the description box below. Set the dry ingredients aside and we're gonna work on the batter. You're gonna need 3 very ripe bananas. The riper the banana, the better, and the less sugar you're gonna use. You can use the potato masher, but I'm gonna use a regular fork. I mean, you can use the bananas that are so ripe you wanna throw them out, but don't. You can place them in a plastic bag, flatten them, and place them in the freezer and use them when you need them. They're a great natural sweetener for so many other things: smoothies, banana breads, other types of muffins. Add 1/2 cup of light brown sugar and 1/4 cup of regular sugar and mix very well. Add 1 large egg and mix. One teaspoon of vanilla extract. One-third of a cup of melted, unsalted, and cooled butter. Mix very well, and now we're ready for the dry ingredients. I don't want to overmix the batter, so I'm gonna switch to a spatula and mix just until combined. You're gonna preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and grease a muffin tin or add some muffin liners for easy cleanup, but as long as you grease the pan, it won't stick. From here on, you can add whatever you want. You can add chocolate chips, you can add walnuts, or you can add pecans. Today I toasted some pecans and I'm gonna add 1/2 cup of toasted pecans. And I like my muffins to have that famous muffin top, so I'm gonna be generous with the scooping. This batter will make a good size 9 muffins. I'm gonna top with some vanilla sugar and 1 whole pecan and bake until a toothpick inserted comes out clean, 15 to 20 minutes depending on your oven. These muffins smell amazing and they taste amazing. I hope you give them a try soon, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell and follow me on social media. The links are gonna be in the description box below. And until next time, bon appétit!